Ki MLA jong kaseng Voice of the People's Party VPP hak arp kundai tarik unailar arhajar arpusau kelemi jendat nak Iingdorbar ban persajur menailat menteri ketenat puliputi ke Sarkar Jelau Rakkam Sangma ban ai ke jubab maka short duration discussion hak Iingdorbar thawan. Haba usumbut lampang Iingdorbar ultimately disira oleh penbena bu menteri ketenat puliputi un jubab kemat yatai belengkot kebelawan ra du MLA kanongkrem uba ardan mela basawimoj halor jingtung kam nohikai hada dengre subdivision. Uba ardan ulaong ba un sngap satya yu menteri ketenat puliputi namar kejingkeren ban pemi jingi perjet ben riau kolong persya ya ka kendon chispa kendai pun rio jong ke BNSS. Lalu menteri rangbal anu sumbut menteri rangbal kim keren ni kani ulaong ba un trek ban sngap pada ke sarkar kasya yu menteri ban jubab kin mi no nak Iingdorbar. Namar kim kwa ba gendon ke jingi per jingmut hapreng ki khasi bat ki garu. Usembut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba presiden tensong uloong ba ke rule ke ong ba udkhot haba ajingkeren dei ban keno shimet persya ki dikhot. Uloong ba ke jingkeno ki dei ke bakta shimet kumta ki laweng no ekne kalan. Ula ajingmut ru yo nang ilam ka VPP ban ailat ba ka an kan yat hala ke jong kelenti nambak ladap ban ujor ke ejahar persya menteri sarkar. Bat ka VPP kelawan ra ekne kemat klem kanu kendon. Bat hadian ulam pang ulaweng no ekne kejingken no jong ba adan mela besai mat persya yau Rakkam Sangma. Hadian ba ultimati disirau la penbenai karai banca menteri sarkar ban ai ke jubab kumta uba ardan rengkat bat kilangut ki wepat ki MLA ga VPP kila yang nak syuki bat mi jendat no na ke Dorbar senrai.
Sir, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this issue under a short duration discussion. The manner in which teachers were appointed. And before I proceed, through you, sir, I would like to express that this discussion would be indeed directed to the Chief Minister. So therefore, sir, I would request through you, sir, to the Chief Minister to kindly take this as a subject to be dealt in this sitting, sir. Sir, if I were as communal as him, sir, I would not have chosen to associate myself with the Garo people since the late 80s. And as a party, we had already filed an FIR against the concerned person. And I hope that the government will not prevent the concerned authority to initiate action against the minister. Sir, coming to this, the Education Department Office of the Subdivisional School Education Officer, the Dengri Subdivision, issued a notice whereby declaring the successful and the selected candidates. And there were 34 selected candidates in this test. And so according to the information available with me, out of 34, there were around 32 of these candidates who managed to get selected through unscrupulous means and forgery. So I have with me the evidence according to the RTI findings. So I would also like to bring to the notice of this August House notification issued by the Office of the Director, State Council of Education, Research and Training, Assam. We can clearly understand that the Assam government will offer this course only to the permanent residents of Assam. According to the information available, sir, it was found that almost 15 of these candidates selected under this MTET, they produce a certificate from some of the universities in Assam. So that is one area, sir, where we feel that the government needs to investigate whether these certificates produced by these candidates are genuine or are fake. Sir, and I can name the candidates which have been shortlisted by the Education Department and got selected under the unreserved category. And these are Senarul Islam, Saiful Islam, Norma Jasmine Khatun, Sanjeev Goswami, Amin Runa Pavin, Rashidul Islam, Sheikh Feroz Abdullah, Shahidul Islam, Shivli Sisar, Mehiruna Parbin, Habib Ali Sheikh, Sima Khatun, Asim Hok, Karimul Islam, Hasmina Ahmed, Akibur Islam Sarkar. These are the 15 candidates who have been selected on the production of a certificate holder from the Assam universities. We don't want that the government will in either way patronize these candidates who try to get job through unfair means, sir. I would also like to demand from the government to constitute an inquiry in order to investigate, in order to verify whether this information available with us and with the aggrieved party is true or not, so that justice is done to the aggrieved party, sir. So with these few words, sir, I conclude my speech.
So the three-member committee is looking of all certificate of all the successful candidates even now. So while recruitment, sir, any candidate which has been named by Honorable MLA from Nongkaram has been, if selected, based on the merit and their language proficiency. Any candidate who have a well qualified in any state of the country, if obtain any diploma certificate in any institutions recognized by the NCT, they have been allowed to participate in the recruitment process. So, because as long as the institutions are recognized by the NCT, they are qualified to participate in the recruitment process. But however, the merit and the language proficiency is a priority of the candidate.